Everybody's at the breakfast table, and we're having some jostling going on here.
I'm surprised you didn't drop your tail yet. The female already dropped her tail while I was kind of doing a thing with her, so don't have to worry about her. But I just
Oh, did he take your piece of squash? Oh, don't shut. Oh, that's not nice. You guys can share it. There you go. Work together and eat it. No, don't shove him. There you go.
just like,
Look at this bearded dragon. Look at that. He's got his legs all stretched out. What are you doing? You're so silly. Looks like you're planking or something, or surfing. Look, it's one of the flower shrimp feeding. He's got his little feetsies out. He's so cute. See? Sticks the feet in his mouth when he gets something.
I don't know. I've been walking this store and I'm trying to feed it to everything and nobody wants
What is that?
Worm.
So you can't find a single animal that wants to eat it?
Nobody wanted it out on the floor.
Sam will eat it. Sam will be very happy to eat it.
All I wanted to do was treat somebody to something.
Oh, he'll take it. He's like, I'll happily take it.
You're a good boy.
Alright, here's Sally. And here's her baby. You can tell where he gets this from. She does it too, all the time. Let's see how big Dobby is now. Oh, look at you, big boy. You're getting huge. Yeah, you're getting huge. You and your little gap in your sail. Such a pretty boy.
How are you doing today?
Uh-oh, we have casualties. This is some shed skin, really old shed skin we had on the walls. Hi. And we had to take them down because they're falling apart finally. These are probably really old. They're very dusty, you can tell. They're brown. So, yep. Gotta take down the old stuff.
I'll be right back.
Here's that new albino ball python they showed off. Yeah, she is so pretty. Such a pretty girl. Chelsea brought in some geckos. Some crested geckos. Oh, I see the one. The frog butt. I see the frog butt.
male around here somewhere.
I hear they're very
They were never cohabbed, so.
active.
Yeah, apparently Jenny. I warned her.
I heard the male gave her a run for her money.
He freaks out. He does do that. He'll go from 0 to a million
Yeah.
in like 2 seconds.
Yes. What are you doing? Oh! Man, Chelsea had a little fun at the store today. Who is this all for?
I'm doing all my snake cages.
Oh,
I've got 2 rat snakes that need upgraded, and my Mexican black king snake's getting upgraded, and
wow. Yeah, you got a little bit of everything. And a bag too. Goodness.
yeah, there's crickets, ceramic heat emitters.
Okay. We'll see you later, Chelsea.
Yes, see ya.
If you can make it through the door.
I think she'll be good. I just
There
don't
you
have
go. Oh.
Nope, we got it.
Yay, she made it. How are you guys all today?
Oh, you know. You know.
You're wearing heart glasses.
I am wearing my hard glasses.
Is that because gonna be February soon. No.
No, he hearts you, Heather.
Oh. I gotta show off your amazing straightness in stocking the shelves.
Yeah, I mean, isn't this quality?
Yeah. How long will it last?
Oh, like an hour. But at least for that hour.
Yes, it looks very precise and very neat. Yes.
It's the Virgo in me.
I didn't even notice this side.
I haven't done that side.
It looks pretty neat though.
It's not ideal.
It's not. Oh, because look. Oh god.
I mean,
they're
the
out of
aspen's all messed up. Don't even get me started.
The top shelf.
line. What?
You gotta get the top shelf in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that whole side's horrible. That will give that credit to Christian.
Uh oh. Elzar, I need to see your earrings.
Oh, my
Tie-dyed
promotion.
iguana. Yeah, your tie-dyed iguana.
Stop by the Tye-Dyed iguana.
Yeah.